Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the car is parked and ignition is at accessory or on. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and open Google Maps so permissions for location and microphone are requested. Place the car's infotainment system into pairing or phone mode. This is where the car broadcasts its Bluetooth name. Once done, you'll tap the car name under available devices on your phone. Make sure you accept any pairing PIN prompts, because you pair devices by selecting the car's Bluetooth name on your phone and confirming the PIN shown on both screens. This prevents a wrong device link. After pairing, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and set media and call audio to route to the car so Google Maps voice uses the car speakers. Then, in Google Maps, make sure navigation audio is on and background location permission is granted, which keeps directions speaking while the app runs in the background. You finalize by starting a route in Google Maps and confirming spoken directions come through the car speakers while the map follows your location. If you don't hear audio, first check phone volume and the app's in-app volume. Make sure Bluetooth media profile, not only phone calls, is active. If problems persist, unpair and repair, or reboot your phone and infotainment system. This clears temporary conflicts. As a final step, update your phone OS and Maps app to avoid known compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.